Ang bilis tumakbo, ano? Tamang-tama, because our lesson for today is about speed. Now, what is speed? Speed is a measure of how fast an object or something moves. Or we can simply define speed is equals to distance over time. Now, we can simply define speed as speed is equals to distance over time. Or in symbol, V is equals to D over T. The V stands for speed, D is distance, and T is for time. So let's say that the person travel a distance of 10 meters and it took 5 seconds to travel that 10 meters. So how will we solve the speed of person? So we can evaluate the value of distance, 10 meters, divided by the value of time is equals to 5 seconds. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2 meter per second. So that is now the speed of a person. Sige, balikan natin yung video. Ay, mukhang nabitin kayo sa video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.